Babs, and I'm at ABC Autotrader, where they treat you like family. We're located right here on the corner of Bush and Nebraska. And I am driving right now. I wish they would let me have it. I am test driving this 2015 BMW 3 Series, all blacked out leather interior. It's got wood grain panels. Can you imagine yourself in this BMW 3 Series right now? BMW 3 Series has 3 different driving modes. You could put it in the comfort mode, eco mode, or you could put it in the sporty mode if you want to hear the tires go. Oh, I love this car. I want it for myself. Remember, you don't have to have A1 credit. ABC Autotrader will work with you and get you into a car of your ABCAutotrader.com to get all the details and information.